Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change to a dark theme on ClickUp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change to a dark theme because it's kind of too bright for your eyes using the light theme here. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? And if you haven't signed up for ClickUp just yet, by the way, you can use my link down below in order to sign up and you'll get a free trial. Now, with ClickUp, in order to change it to a dark theme, all you've got to do is log in. Then in the upper right-hand corner, click on your profile name, and then click on where it says themes. Now you can set between a light theme or a dark theme here, or you can set it to auto, which is going to take the appearance based on your system's iOS. And you can also change the colors as far as purple, indigo, orange, pink, black, teal, but set it to dark and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change to a dark theme on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.